Hey everybody. So while going out to water my dog, he got off his car and went and started sniffing at something. Well, I walk over and I thought my cat had killed it. It was a bird, a little baby bird, but it's still alive. I don't know. Can you see her? Oh, she's hungry again. I just fed you. Okay, well you guys are gonna watch me feed her or him. I really don't know. Okay. Come on. There we go. I think she likes the smell of my gloves. I don't know. Can you, see her? Pretty cute, huh? Well, I don't know what to call it. It's a baby bird, though. Quite cute, really. I can't really see anything because my brightness is really bad right now. I turned it down all the way. And wow, she's got lots of teeth in there. Look at that. Just look. Let's see if I can get her to open her mouth again. Okay, look at that. Look at all that. Well, hopefully she stays there and no cat attacks her. That would be unfortunate after all that I've gone through to protect her, which is a lot. Now, I'm moving this basketball so I can find her some more nums. Hey. Oh. Worms are good for birds, especially baby birds. Lots of nutrients and crap. Okay. Oh, this one's a wriggler. Do you want one? He wants to be eaten. I'm kidding. Who would want to be eaten? Please don't answer that. She is way too young to hear stuff like that. No more nums right now? You sure? Not even my finger? Nope. She's done with nums for right now. That should be enough when I get home though. Just gotta pull up some moss. And as you can see, I'm wearing gloves. I have not directly touched the baby bird. I have picked her up and moved her from the backyard to the front with the gloves because I'm smart and I know that you cannot touch a baby bird with your bare hands if you want it to live. Watch, she's gonna want more nums now. She smells the worm. Anyway, so I'm almost out of video if I am correct. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go. But when I get home, I will update because we are going fishing. Okay, bye.